Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair. Today's video I will show you about a small process of our hair processing, and this is actually one of the last process. A lot of people um, wonder that how our hair feels so good and why it looks like so silky and so soft like this. And actually, let me show you. And this is actually a finished product, and you can see this is genius wrap, and this is also like genius wrap. This is all different type of hair. This is taping hair extensions. Actually, when we process the hair bulk, and we will make this type of extension like this taping and this genius weft, and this also genius weft. Actually, when we take it back, we need to fill this top of the hair, fill it so that it will protect the genius weft theme place. And then we will use our condition like this kind of condition, and we put our hair soak there. This is like your normal condition, which makes the hair looks more soft, silky, and put more conditions, put more nutrition to the hair, make the hair looks more fluid. and and when we soak there, we have to like protect this part, so that because the tape and some of this kind of a seal, it it does not want to be in the water. That is why let me show you. This is beautiful kind of a ombre color, and this is a highlight color. Beautiful, right? And the hair already feel very good, very great hair. And also this type of hair, you can see this is actually hair bulk. What we getting is that after we coloring the hair, we use this hair bulk to make this type of hair extensions. Then we come back and then we soak with this kind of conditioner to make the hair feels really, really, really great. And in this process, we have to make sure that the hair is all wetted well and in good condition. Make sure that all the cuticle and everything are on the same direction, so that there's no problem like tangling or any type of issue like that. So we are very strict in this kind of part, because if there is any hair which is not in the same direction, the hair extensions will possibly getting tangled when you use it. So it's very, very important. And this is all different type of product like that. You can see in different wavy hair. This is wavy hair. This is piano color, highlight color. So that's the last process of the hair processing.